Hello everyone, this is Business Lesson your way today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you'll be watching this video from. Alright guys, so if you are new on this channel, please I just want you to click on the subscribe and smash the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell. Should I drop video some another time, you'll be able to get notified. So guys, if you have been here before, just like and give me a very good comment. So let's dive into it now guys. For this mobile setup, we have something amazing to you, and for demonstration purposes, this is a demo account. All right, so guys, I will be explaining some things to you in a very fast manner. All right, so this mobile setup is very good for scalpers. All right, yes, you heard me, just for scalpers, and it's very good for all time frames. All right, so guys, purposely we'll be using this to trade against the spike. All right, so before I go into details, let me quickly show you the setup. Now guys, on the F icon at the top of the screen, all right, then now we are not applying this on the main chart, we are applying it on indicator window one. All right, so you just look for the setup, the name of the setup, all right, on the main chart. All right, you look for it. That's if you've not added it before. All right, but when you click on it, it will create indicator window one for you. Then every other thing you'll be doing will be under indicator window one. So guys, this is just the too powerful setup. All right, now let me go back and make some entries before I come back to give you details of this setup. It's very easy. So guys, we'll be making a sell for this. Now let me sell so that we can scalp for the selling, then we'll just come back and check up on some beautiful things. And also guys, if you're interested in joining the free groups, all right, yeah, it's okay like this. Now guys, if you're interested in joining the free channel to pick up free signals, you can just check the description below. And also, if you want to talk to me directly, all right, you see in the description, just chat me direct at Business Plus CEO. All right, any other Business Plus is a counterfeit. So guys, I won't ask you for money, I won't chat you first, no, I won't do that. So after, when you join the Telegram, I just wanted to know that. So guys, we have made a very good entry on this, and now let me go back to show you the sell. So for the ADMI, which is the ADX, so this is the beautiful setup for the ADX. You see, under the parameters we have the period is one, the style, we have style 1 pixels plus di 1 pixels, and also minus di is 1 pixels, and the background is white. All right, so for the ADX we created the CCI in the ADS. So all these pixels here, we don't need the pixels, we don't need the color for the pixels. That's why we decided to create the CCI in the ADS. All right, so I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but this is just the setup. All right, I don't want to make this video too long or too complex for you. Then you see the level is at 90, 50 and 10. I'll show you after this. And the time frame is working on all time frames, provided the chart met the condition. All right, provided the indicator met the condition of the chart. All right, so you see, come and look for under this indicator window one, you go and look for CCI, all right, commodity channel index. Then clicking on the commodity channel index, you see under the parameters we have period 9, we have to apply to typical price, that's HLC/3. We have the style is 3 px. So it's just this that we need, that's why we give it the color red. I'll show you. So guys, the level and stuff, we just leave it at default. So for the time frames, let me just show you. It's the same thing as the previous one that we have. Just leave everything checked for all time frames. After, when you're done, you click on done at the top right, then you now go back. All right, so this is what we have. All right, now I said this is very, very good for scalpers. Okay, so now let's go to M1. You see, we have this running for quite like 4 minutes now, but we're not using it on 1 minute time frame. But if you want to use this on 1 minute time frame, it's very good for you to use. All right, so here, um after when we've done the setup, and I now let me show you something. And here, the ADX lines is available within all this white space. All right, all this white space is available there, but it's because we gave the color on white as same as the background. That's why it has faded off. All right, remember this, for the CCI, the 3 pixels which I gave red, so this is the CCI. So we are using the CCI within the ADX. All right, so that's how powerful the strategy is. Okay, so now another thing is, you see, we are at the top, at 90, which is at overbought. So that's why we are selling. That's one condition. All right, so I will now pause the video. Now when it gets to 50, I will now come back to check if this is working. But if you're a scalper, so you're good to go now. All right, but I like leaving my stuff for quite some time and also stacking up. That's why I have all this. All right, so if you're a very good scalper by now, you have like let me say almost $10. It's very easy, but you must make sure that it met with the condition of the market. Now that's here is condition number one. Okay, when it gets to 50 here or below 50, depending on what's happening in the markets, I will opt out. And at the same time, I just wanted to check on something here, something that's very, very beautiful. You can see the movement of the trend is downtrend. So don't play with that. All right. So when it's downtrend, you go for a sell. When it's uptrend, you go for a buy, especially for crash. Okay. And I said is for scalpers, and within let me say 5-10 minutes, you're out of the game. Let's go back to um M1 time frame. You can see this is huge. Okay, this is huge. Okay, so I'm using the zoom level, the last zoom level. It's 1 minute time frame now. All right, I will have said I should be out. Okay, so you see, even in 90, it has it's going down to almost 50 level. You see, so it's a very good scalping strategy for those who are interested to use this. So I've shown you the setup, and don't forget guys, if you are new to this channel, I just want you to click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, because I will have to come with another mobile setup. So I don't just drop mobile setup, I do work on them very well. All right, so if it's working fine, and all right, so guys, I'll be dropping videos for you guys now back to back, so that you can get something meaningful from this channel. And also don't forget, check the description, join the Telegram to pick up free signals. All right, join, you can message me up. All right, then also if you need mentorship, just let me know. Just let me know, I'm gonna give you the best you could. And also we have our training going up. All right, free training for 5 days going up. The first set will be done this week. Yeah, this new week the first set will be done. Then after when they are done, I'm gonna look for another just 5 people to enroll for the free training. It's free, I'm not asking you anything, it's free. All right, and also if you need customized indicator, the customized indicator is available. All right, at a very, very low price. You're gonna like it. It's fire. Yes, it's fire. That's the indicator I'm personally using. All right, coupled with some other strategies. All right, so that's it guys, that's it guys. So you can see we're in money. All right, no faking, no capping. Remember I said for demonstration purposes, this is a demo account. All right, so guys, you see, so let's go to check for boom 500. Let me see if boom 500 will comply with what we have. 15 minutes is not complying. All right, you see, when you check the ADS and CCI below, you see is not relevant to. So this is one of the reason why I didn't sell boom 500 at this very level. You see, we have a spike against us, so that's why I left it out. Now let me check for crash 100 and say probably if we have something to buy. Let me go to another time frame. So you just have to check on different time frames. But for now, nothing. So we would have picked the signal right from here for a buy. So it will have been from this point here up. All right. So I said it's for scalpers. Okay. Now let me go back to where we're coming from. Then I will show you one more thing. You see, it's still running in profit. Okay, it's still running in profit. Let's see, that's $33. All right, so I'm not scared. As long as we're still looking at what is happening here. When it gets to 50, I may be out or wait till it gets to 10, level 10. All right, so guys, if you like this video, I just wanted to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel and check to join the Telegram channel in the description. So guys, stay blessed. I love you.